Now, working out, it's not easy. We know that, and that's why we put together these workouts just for you. Hi, and welcome to E3 Strength. My name is Earl, and today we're going over a bunch of great exercises that we put together in a workout just for you. This workout's gonna help you burn fat, build muscle, and get results in 30 minutes or less. Every great workout starts with a great warm-up. Today's workout's no different. You're gonna step back into a reverse lunge, drop your back knee. You're doing 5 overhead reaches. Once you've done this per side for the reps listed, you're gonna jump into your first exercise, which is a Spiderman Pushup. We're gonna show you 2 versions because the first may be a little challenging. So as you're going down on your push-up, you're gonna do an oblique knee tuck. And it's gonna be 1 knee tuck per push-up. Now an easier version is gonna be doing this from your knees, but to make it more challenging, you're gonna try to do a knee tuck per side per push-up. Here's what that should look like. Down, knee tuck, and then back down again. You're gonna follow that up with 3 different planks. The first one's gonna be on your hands doing a plank with shoulder touches, and then we'll show you the 2 forearm versions to follow. Your plank with shoulder touches, you're trying to be as stable and as still as possible while you gently touch each shoulder for the reps listed. From this position, if you can flow right into it, drop to your forearms, and you're gonna work on a leg raise. Real easy, trying to keep your legs still so that you feel flexion in your glutes. Don't go so high that you feel hyperextension in your back. The very last plank you're gonna do is gonna be a saw plank. Make sure that your forearms are directly underneath your shoulders so that you can pull yourself forward and push backwards. This is gonna put a shear force on the muscles in the abdomen that are trying to stay contracted. And it's gonna be a great way to get activity out of a static motion. Your next set of exercises is gonna start with a straight leg raise with a crunch. So because we're doing a crunch, your hands are not gonna be underneath your tush for this one. Start with a leg raise, hands overhead for momentum if you need them. Do a straight leg raise into a crunch. You're gonna do this for the reps listed, and you're going right into a Russian twist. For the Russian twist, bend the knees, keep the heels down. No matter what you've seen on TV, keeping the heels down is really gonna support the lower back and allow you to get better rotation without hurting yourself. Once you've got that done, you're going into a bicycle crunch. As simple as this one is, it always turns on the abdomen, and it's very effective. Opposite elbow toward opposite knee. Your very last exercise is gonna be a crab position, which is upside down on all fours, and you're gonna be doing an overhead reach as far back as you can go and as high as you can go. What's great about this exercise is you're pulling your body in the opposite direction that you've been going for the past 3 exercises. So when you're in the down position, the abdomen's tight, and then you're putting a shear force on the abdomen as you reach back, opening up the chest and the shoulders. Great for your posture, great for your core. Now these 30-minute workouts are designed to give you a lot of bang for your buck. And this finisher is just that. 3 moves paired together in sequential order. Squat thrust into high knees into a squat jump. So a squat thrust is where you squat down, kick your legs out. That's where you'll start. When you jump in and stand up, you're going into 5 high knees. Then you're going into a squat jump. And then you're gonna start it all over again. Squat thrust, high knees, squat jump, and repeat. As you can tell, I'm already out of breath. Now we're asking that you try to do this for 45 seconds. So that wraps up today's workout. We hope that this video and this workout have been helpful. If they have, give us a like, a comment, or a share. And feel free to leave us a comment below and let us know what we can help you with in the future. Thanks.